You want me to do your hair as well? Wow, you've got a great head of hair. Yeah, maybe give as soon as I finish with him, you can jump in the chair next.
But I don't have cash, so
No, it's free.
doing some other exercises, and now boom.
And here I am giving you a free haircut, right?
But are you inviting people, or
No, I just walk up to random strangers and I hope they
Like
say
me,
yes.
like
Well,
me.
kind of, yeah, but you came up to me. It's kind of just like that.
Not sure, but whatever you feel like, because probably you're right. It's like a tail. It's not so cool.
So I'll just blend it in a tiny
Just
bit. You'll still
whatever.
have plenty of length in the
Alex,
front,
I'm totally.
but I'll just shorten it a little bit in the back.
Actually, whatever you will feel like and see like.
So what was your name again? Lena?
Lena.
Lena. You know, you're actually the first woman that I've ever cut hair on.
Yes, so you're working with men's like short.
So I cut my own hair, and I've been cutting my own hair since I was 14 years old. I'm 26 now.
It's a good skills, because not everyone can cut their own hair.
Exactly, and I teach people. All of my supporters know me for cutting my own hair, and I teach them how to cut their own hair. It became very big because of COVID, with lockdowns and
okay.
whatnot. And so it was very helpful for a lot of people.
For a lot of people, but not for me, because so like I don't have these creative hands.
It's not for everybody, that's
Not
for sure.
everybody. I'm a travel agent for living.
Do you like what you do?
I like what we do, but I have no clients.
I see.
No clientele. So like my clientele is all gone.
Really?
Yeah. You working for a salon, or you working for yourself?
No, I work for myself. It's kind of like in between my real estate job. So I'm a real estate agent as well as I make
Yeah.
YouTube videos.
I'm doing I'm not a realtor because I did not pass exam. I tried 3 times,
Okay.
but I'm doing vacation rentals.
Nice, like Airbnb?
No, I mean my ex, he's a broker. We are not communicating,
Okay.
but he's giving me clientele for short terms.
Nice. That's always good. That's definitely a good business nowadays.
It's not bringing me a lot of money, honestly, because it's hard to find something like budget,
So if you were to kind of look back and reflect on your life, what's something that you might regret or might have regretted that you changed growing up?
It's hard to tell, because so like I was busy raising 2 kids,
Okay.
and it was my life, it was my fun. So I came here pregnant, so like with them I explore, like United States and all this, whatever. So the whole environment, so like I kind of like grow up with them. But maybe I should, like, if I change, so like get like educated here, get some, like career, so like in the United States.
A career.
So go to, like get some, like university diploma or something. Like be
I
more
see.
educated.
Yeah, I completely understand. Education is definitely very important.
I was super busy. When you physically crying because you're so tired of do like so many things at the same. It's really hard to raise kids.
So you feel like you didn't give yourself enough time growing up?
Enough time. So like I should give myself like more.
More time for yourself and
More
less time for other
myself
people.
and, yeah.
What do you think makes a good partner?
Now,
In general, now or back then, what do you think makes a good partner?
the partner is a partner. So like I am very unique person in this way. So I don't need anyone anymore.
Okay, so let's say back then, when you were, let's say 20
I'm
years
like
old,
wild.
25.
I'm like, homeless cat. So I'm so wild now, So like I get used to be with myself.
Okay. What do you think about the younger generations growing up? Are they
love
doing good, or
They
are they
doing-
not doing as
they
good as you
doing-
would like?
They're doing great.
You think so?
I think so. I don't know, So like my daughter is 27
Okay.
and my son is 22. Let's say my daughter's friends like a little bit older than her, like 29 or something. But surrounding, I love to listen them, like follow their like thoughts and. No. I'm just like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And now let's say whatever is going on like in Ukraine, like between like, it's not even between Russia and Ukraine. It's in Ukraine. The Russia, so like it's attack Ukraine. And, I'm Russian, right?
Right.
So, and many kids who never been in Russia, who knows like their grandparents are like from Ukraine, like roots, so like they know their roots. I open Instagram, it's so touchy. They put such a thoughtful words, you know, so like about like everything.
Mm-hmm.
Talking about the young generation, you know, so like they just like they follow what they. And my daughter, she's in art business. Her major is art history.
Okay.
And it's again, you know, so like she has kind of like successful friends and even celebrities.
Okay.
And she can work as a for the like private collector or something to make money. No, she told me, Mom, I'm not ready. She's always she needs more knowledge.
And that's.
Not thinking about money too, which is great.
Mm-hmm.
And she loves LA because, you know, so like the hiking a lot. Have you been in LA?
I have never been to California, no.
Oh my God, you should go.
I'm sure it's beautiful there. I've heard
It's
a
not
lot.
about. It's not Alex. It's not about beautiful because, you know, so like I'm telling you what. She moved to LA like 2 years ago, right? I was so silly. I was thinking LA. It's like, you know, like I love movies and, you know, like all this like Grammys, Oscar parties, you know, so like I was thinking it's like LA, it's so earthy. It's like old Hollywood. There it's like everything so simple.
Yeah.
No, Alex, you don't even understand. So simple. Small houses, small shitty places. The Sunset Boulevard or whatever, Hollywood Boulevard. It's so simple. The simplicity of LA is shocking.
Huh.
And then you go to this simple place with the people who's wearing simple clothes, making much more money than my people in Miami, and you come to the small place. I'm talking about like store or cafe or restaurant, and the quality
is nice.
It's amazing. The only problem is it's so dry there, you know. So like it's
the weather.
The weather, yeah.
So you think the weather in LA is definitely better than Miami?
Of course.
Wow.
Of course, it's much better. It's like completely different, you know. Like
it's like the Mediterranean.
It's like Mediterranean, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, and here it's too humid.
So, but you were it's not human, you know. So it's just hot.
Yeah.
So you were born here, or you came
I was
from?
born in New Jersey. Yeah, we moved here some years ago.
Portugal, it's my dream. If you're talking about my dream, I want to like live in Portugal for at least like few months.
Yeah, you should.
I
Portugal
should.
is a really nice place too.
And Greece too.
I've been there a handful of times. I go to Greece, not anymore, but I used to go almost every year before the pandemic happened.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, what island or just like what city?
My family's from
I've
the city
never
of
been in
Patra, and we've got relatives in Athens as well.
I don't know how you can like from Greek, how you can come here.
How do you come here?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I mean, it's hard to live here.
To live here? Ask my grandparents. I mean, I think they made a good decision.
No, of course.
Because Greece is definitely not the place that it used to be.
Yeah, it's like and economically or something.
What do you think so far, or if that's okay?
Okay, yes.
I blended it well in the back, so it's not too disconnected, and the sides are a little bit shorter.
Wonderful. Now it's like so soft, but I used to be a swimmer, and I'm still swimming like 3 times a week. I'm going to the gym to fitness to swim.
Okay.
And when I swim, it's like, and
Is
I'm
that
not
okay?
washing like all. Yes, it's good.
It's good? Perfect. Absolutely. Lena, right?
Lena, you want my card maybe? No, maybe you need my name or something. I don't know.
Sure.
Let me
take the cape off of you really quick. Let me get all this off of you. It's definitely.
So much. I'm telling you, you know, so like I would love to give you something, but I have like no cash.
No. These haircuts are 100% free. Believe me. You don't need to give me anything. It was a pleasure having a conversation with you.
Alex. Yeah. So
I'm not gonna take it. It's gonna stay here if you.
Maybe you decided to
Sure.
go to the cruise.
I'll take your
or
card.
just some consultation or whatever. But now it's everything online, of course.
Well, I'm glad you like the haircut, and I appreciate you trusting me to cut your own hair.
I was thinking like 3 days in a row. I was thinking, you know, so like to go and my hairdresser, she's so busy because she's coloring, you know.
Yeah, no, they've got a busy schedule, and nowadays they're probably really busy. Well, thank you so much for stopping by.
Today's my lucky day.
But you guys, thank you all so much for watching till the end of this video. If you did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. I post videos every single week. Yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's hit 100K subscribers. I'll catch you all next time. Peace.